One point drifts through empty space here. It never stops, and it never repeats its path. Watch the line slowly fold into a shape. A round bloom grows, with a spike on top. 1 point, drawing a flower. Most people have seen the butterfly of chaos. 2 wings, traced by one restless point. But a stranger shape hides right beside it. This one curls into a ball and a stem. What kind of rule draws a flower like this? Here's the plan for this strange shape. We'll cover 5 ideas in a clear path. First, what an attractor actually is. Then the point, the rules, and the endless path. Finally, the bloom that chaos folds into. Now let's see what an attractor is. Drop a marble into a smooth curved bowl. It rolls around, then rests at the bottom. That resting spot pulls every nearby path inward. An attractor is the shape a path keeps approaching. Here's where a strange attractor enters. This kind of point never comes to rest. It loops forever, yet stays inside one region. The path is pulled, but never pinned down. So the bloom is a place the point keeps tracing. Now let's see the rules behind the point. 3 short rules say how the point moves next. Each rule reads the point's 3 numbers. Then it nudges the point a tiny step. 6 fixed numbers shape how hard each nudge pulls. The rules run again and again without pause. Step by step, the dot leaves a thin trail. No frame plans the bloom we will see. The shape only appears after thousands of steps. Small repeated nudges build one large form together. Time for the famous trick of chaos. Start 2 dots almost exactly side by side. For a while, their paths look the same. Then they split and wander far apart. A tiny change in the start changes everything. So far the paths seem wild and free. Yet not one dot ever leaves the bloom. The motion is unpredictable, but it stays bounded. Wild inside, but trapped inside a clear shape. Chaos with a tiny outline. Now let's see the shape this rule folds. The path wraps around a round, ball-like core. Then it climbs into a narrow spike on top. The dot threads this spike and falls back down. That loop, repeated, paints the whole bloom. The hidden skeleton here is a quiet donut. The path winds around that donut shape forever. It spirals out, then folds back inward again. The spike is where the winding pulls tight. So order and chaos share the very same path. This bloom is named for Yoji Aizawa. He studied shapes that wind around a donut. But even the name is gently debated. Some trace the rules to earlier work by Langford. A famous shape, yet its story stays fuzzy. Here's why this shape feels alive. It curls and blooms like something that grew. Yet no cell, no seed, no plan exists. Only 3 rules and 6 fixed numbers remain. The living look comes from pure repeated motion. The bloom is only one shape among many. Change the rules, and a new form appears. Some look like masks, ribbons, or curling smoke. Each one traps a wild path inside calm walls. A whole quiet garden of chaos waits to be drawn. So what does the bloom finally tell us? The butterfly made chaos famous long ago. But chaos kept other shapes quietly hidden away. One point still traces this flower right now. The butterfly had company all along.